One, fast, and play.
You need to work on the overall downforce because that's how you increase your cornering speed. You need to work on the mechanical side as well, which will help you in like lower speed corner with the traction. Need to work on the engine side as well to get as much power as you can. These are the three factors, and obviously you have many parameters that comes into play as well for the performance.
Must not be three words, only one. They must be fast.
The key points of any F1 car is aerodynamic development and to be optimizing the car around the regulations. And then on top of that, with the new engine, we've been able to move the car forward, so it's a strong evolution of last year's car.
It's always a special feeling if the car, after all these winter months, is going out the first time at the racetrack. The branding, the livery, everything looks really fantastic. For me, this car is for sure one of the most beautiful cars at the starting grid. But hopefully it's a fast car, because this is decisive.
Elevator going up another level.
This year is going to be very tricky. We have only 3 days of testing. Every single second and minute we will get on track are going to be really important.
Yeah, I'm what they want. Give them what they want.
Show me the map.
I give them thrills.
This is now in our hands. We have to provide Pierre Gasly with a real fast car, and then he will do his job.
I got thrills, I got thrills.
It's now in the hands of Yuki to observe what he is doing, to ask, and to get most out of it.
I don't have any pressure. Just push hard. Of course, I feel exciting. I'm just preparing for my physical thing and the mentality side.
We on top of the world, yeah, they looking up, know the clock ticking.
He seems like a very nice guy, very talented. If you make it to Formula 1, it means you are a fast driver and you deserve to be there.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to learn from him and race with him.
We be going hard, we be going in.
The team can put all of that combined learning together to move the car and both drive as quickly as far as possible.
Yeah, the team is extremely important in Formula 1. Without these guys, I would have never won the race there. I try to push them every single day. They do the same thing. We need to keep pushing.